Platinum Rewards Card Review. If you are looking for a credit card that combines flexible reward, solid cashback potential, and features designed for everyday spending, the **ABOC Platinum Rewards Card ** might be exactly what you need. Today, we're going to break down everything about this card, its rewards program, benefits, fees, and how to maximize its perks so you can decide if it's worth adding to your wallet. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of whether the ABOC Platinum Rewards Card is a game changer for your finances. ***Why the ABOC Platinum Rewards Card stands out. ***. Many people overlook cards like ABOC because they aren't part of the major banks, but that can actually be a benefit. Smaller issuers often offer ***, generous rewards rates, ***, lower fees, and fewer restrictions on redemptions. The ABOC Platinum Rewards Card is designed for people who want ***, straightforward cashback rewards without the confusing tiers and rotating categories ***, of other cards. One of the most appealing things about this card is its ***, simplicity. ***. You earn rewards on every purchase. No need to track categories or worry about quarterly activations. That alone makes it a strong contender for those who want hassle-free earning. ***, sign-up bonus and intro offers ***. ABOC frequently offers ***, welcome bonuses ***, for new cardholders. While the exact numbers can vary depending on promotions, you can typically earn *$100, $150 in cashback rewards *** after spending a certain amount in the first 90 days. That might not sound huge compared to some travel cards, but because these rewards are *** instant cash or statement credits ***, they are very straightforward and easy to use. This bonus alone can cover a portion of your first few months of spending, making it a great option for someone who wants immediate value without jumping through hoops. ***, reward structure ***. Here's where the ABOC Platinum Rewards Card shines. ***, 1.5% 2% cash back on all purchases ***. Every dollar you spend earns a consistent reward rate, which is competitive compared to other Platinum cashback cards. ***, bonus categories on certain purchases ***. Occasionally, ABOC may offer elevated rewards on groceries, gas, or dining, giving you the chance to earn even more without changing your spending habits. ***, no caps for limits ***. Unlike some cards that restrict how many points you can earn in bonus categories, this card rewards you consistently on ***, all eligible purchases ***. Most people get this wrong. They assume all cashback cards require tracking complicated categories or risk missing out. With ABOC, you don't need to worry. Your rewards automatically accumulate on every transaction. ***, fees and interest rates ***. The ABOC Platinum Rewards Card is attractive for people who are mindful of fees. ***, annual fee $0.49, depending on the promotion. Many users get the card with no annual fee at all. ***, variable, typically in the ***, 18%-24% range ***. While this isn't the lowest APR out there, if you pay your balance in full each month, you won't pay any interest. ***, foreign transaction fees ***. This card generally charges around *** 3% per foreign transaction ***, so it's best used domestically. The combination of a *** low or no annual fee *** with a solid rewards rate makes it an easy card to hold onto long term. You're not paying just to carry the card, you're earning consistently. ***, additional perks ***. The ABOC Platinum Rewards Card isn't just about cashback. It also includes several useful features. Purchase protection *** covers new purchases against theft or damage for a limited period. Extended warranty ** extends the manufacturer's warranty on eligible items. Fraud monitoring ** includes alerts for suspicious activity, keeping your account safe. Mobile app and online management ** lets you track rewards, make payments, and manage your account efficiently. These perks may seem small, but over time, they add real value, especially purchase protection. and extended warranty coverage. Many people underestimate how much money they save by having this kind of security. Asterisk asterisk how to maximize your rewards asterisk asterisk. To get the most out of the ABOC Platinum Rewards card, consider these tips. 1. Asterisk asterisk use it for all everyday purchases asterisk asterisk because there's no category tracking. Using it for groceries, gas, and online shopping will steadily grow your rewards. 2. Asterisk asterisk combine with bonus promotions asterisk asterisk. Keep an eye out for temporary bonus categories that ABOC may offer to accelerate earnings. 3. Asterisk asterisk redeem wisely asterisk asterisk. Rewards can usually be redeemed as cashback, statement credits, or gift cards. Cashback or statement credit is the simplest and most flexible way to use your rewards. 4. Asterisk asterisk pay balances in full asterisk asterisk. Avoid interest by paying your balance every month, maximizing the real value of your cashback earnings. Here's an example. If you spend asterisk asterisk $2,500 per month asterisk asterisk on this card and earn an average of 1.5% back, that's asterisk asterisk $37.50 per month asterisk asterisk, or asterisk asterisk $450 per year asterisk asterisk in cashback rewards. Over time, that adds up significantly, especially with no annual fee. Asterisk asterisk who should consider the ABOC Platinum Rewards card asterisk asterisk. The ABOC Platinum Rewards card is ideal for asterisk asterisk everyday spenders asterisk asterisk who want consistent cash back without complicated categories. Asterisk asterisk budget conscious users asterisk asterisk who want a card with a low or zero annual fee. Asterisk asterisk new credit card users asterisk asterisk who want an easy to understand reward system and basic perks. Asterisk asterisk people who want flexible redemption options asterisk asterisk like cashback or statement credits. It's less ideal for people who travel internationally frequently since foreign transaction fees are high. For them, a card with no foreign transaction fees might be better. Asterisk asterisk potential drawbacks asterisk asterisk while the ABOC Platinum Rewards card is strong in many areas, there are a few things to keep in mind. Asterisk asterisk higher APR if you carry a balance asterisk asterisk. The variable APR can be steep if you don't pay off your balance monthly. Asterisk asterisk limited travel perks asterisk asterisk. Unlike travel focus cards, ABOC doesn't offer lounge access, free check bags, or other premium travel benefits. Asterisk asterisk foreign fees asterisk asterisk. As mentioned, 3% per foreign transaction makes it less ideal for international use. However, if your main goal is asterisk asterisk simple, reliable cashback rewards asterisk asterisk, these drawbacks are minimal. Most people overlook how much value they can earn domestically with everyday spending. Asterisk asterisk conclusion asterisk asterisk. The asterisk asterisk ABOC Platinum Rewards card asterisk asterisk is a solid, no-nonsense cashback card that delivers asterisk asterisk consistent rewards, low fees, and practical perks asterisk asterisk. It's perfect for everyday spending, especially if you want to earn rewards without tracking rotating categories or managing multiple cards. By taking advantage of the sign-up bonus, using the card for regular purchases, and redeeming rewards wisely, you can easily earn hundreds of dollars in cash back every year. Over time, these rewards add up and can make a noticeable impact on your finances. Most people get this wrong. They think a smaller issuer card can't compete with big-name banks. The truth is, the ABOC Platinum Rewards card proves that you can earn competitive rewards, enjoy useful protections, and avoid high fees all at the same time. If this review helped you understand whether the ABOC Platinum Rewards card is right for you, make sure to asterisk asterisk subscribe asterisk asterisk for more credit card reviews, tips, and strategies. With the right card in your wallet, you can make your spending work smarter, not harder.